Are you looking for the best miter saw stands in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best miter saw stands that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Keter 197 Intured 83 Folding Table Workbench for Miter Saw. A workbench and saw stand come together in this foldable option from Keter. It may not have the look of other miter saw stands, but it's a multi-purpose option for buyers who use more than miter saws and want one hub for everything. With just over 9 505-star ratings, shoppers herald the folding legs and surface that pop out to create a portable job site in a matter of seconds and appreciate the vice-like clamps that keep boards in place. Another noteworthy feature is its enormous weight capacity. Able to hold 1,000 pounds, even the heaviest saws and materials won't burden this saw stand. The plastic top and aluminum legs aren't bogged down with excessive weight either, and it makes cleaning up a breeze. One shopper mentioned that this proper stand has never let me down and is very easy to store in the bed of my pickup. They pointed out too how handy it is to have additional space for storing extra tools beneath it. Up next in the 4th place is the Evolution Power Tools Evom's One Compact Folding Miter Saw Stand. A smidge over $100 and brandished with an Amazon Choice badge. This highly rated miter saw stand from Evolution Power Tools is the best value for money pick. It's another folding miter saw stand that's light enough to carry, but can handle substantial weight. While it doesn't have adjustable feet, it provides a stable work area on uneven surfaces, and its extension arms are longer than other stands, reaching up to 9-8 feet in total. It too has quick-release mounting brackets and is made of undeniably robust, high-speed steel. Do note that if a portable stand is a priority, this is fine, but for constant travelers, it's worth paying slightly more for a model with wheels. Despite it not being a wheeled miter stand, one customer was thrilled that they now had the ability to take my saw outside and work in the sun without having to worry about cleaning up in my shop. The 3rd product on our list is the Trend Adjustable Miter Saw Roller Stand. This option from Trend is slightly different from other miter saw stands. It's an addition to a saw and miter saw stand, and is compatible with both home and commercial machines. The roller isn't in the form of casters or wheels, but rather it's within the stand itself, which lends a helping hand to users who need to efficiently feed different sizes of materials through their miter saw, made of steel. This feeding stand can handle a lot. The right side dial also allows the entire stand to move up and down in height with just one hand. When working with large planks or beefy material weights, this stand's extra material support makes cutting long trim and lumber very easy, according to one customer. Another reviewer was so pleased with its output that they purchased a second one. Second on our list is the Redleg Universal Miter Saw Stand. For a little more weight capacity than many other saw stand options at a wildly affordable price sits the Redleg Universal Miter Saw Stand. At less than $100, one would think this isn't worth batting an eyelid at. But it holds features that are found in more expensive stands, including quick-release tool mounts, material end stops, and material support extendable arms. The legs collapse inwards when needed, and the stand folds down into a more manageable vertical frame. With all of these features and an all-steel construction, it's understandable why this flies as an under-the-radar favorite. Aside from the mediocre instruction manual, this rock-solid miter saw stand isn't difficult to put together, and at 25 pounds, it's easy for most to carry. Finally, the top product on our list is the DeWALT Miter Saw Stand, capable of carrying up to 500 pounds. This DeWALT miter saw stand is an ideal choice for users with heavier saws or workloads. Although it's touted to be an excellent stand for heavier saws, don't let this fool you. The aluminum frame weighs less than 30 pounds, so it's not a burden to maneuver if needed. It has support arms that can stretch out to 40 inches and lock. Its legs are also lockable and foldable. The mounting brackets will keep a saw in place, but are simple to remove and adjust. Some users found that the stop's close vicinity to the blade made it simple to hack away at shorter pieces of lumber and plywood. Most reviewers were at a loss for finding any cons, but one did note that wheels would be the icing on the cake. Whether it's for slicing up pieces for trim work, framing, or floorboards, many reviewers echo one person who noted it's a must-have solution. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.